Okay, we've let this dry good, so now we're just going to take some 220 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to lightly sand it down some. Just to help smooth it down a little more. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like on the video. I'd appreciate it. I'd like to thank all my subscribers that are subscribing to my page. See, they're coming from all over the world. Well, we'll do this, then we'll give it another coat of white, and then we should be ready to start doing color. This just helps to smooth it in a little more. We'll just do that, and then we'll go and coat it with another coat of white. Then we'll be ready to start adding our color. So thanks for watching.